Okay, Shakespeare, what's happening?
It's Friday and it's the holidays, and Mum's still editing the New Year's Eve videos, and we're just gonna vlog our normal life.
Okay,
Yes.
so what were you guys doing before I called you here?
We didn't do any school today, so they did their own play school.
What?
Their play school, their own.
They're in school.
Yes.
Is Nefertiti playing teacher again?
Yes.
Okay, let's go see. Nefertiti, what are you doing?
Making my own play school.
Oh, I like your glasses.
Yeah, Shakespeare gave them to me so I can play. I'm a teacher.
Where are your students?
They are coming.
You should call them.
Yep. Come, students!
Your students are very obedient. They're very quiet. Wow, no noise whatsoever.
So the first thing we're doing is numbers.
Just play a no here. How often do we see them playing school?
Many.
Many times.
This is the thing on this paper. You have to find the same number.
How often does she do this?
A lot.
Yeah.
I'm going to check on the computer. And when I'm done and you're done, I'm going to check your papers if you did right. If you do them right, I'm going to come and give you a sticker.
Where are the stickers? Is it an imaginary sticker? Oh, excellent. I like that idea. Wow, you're working so hard over there.
Yep, I'm making Mum's video.
Oh, you're the editor. Do you edit all our videos for the last 5 years?
Yep.
Oh, thank you.
Now is everybody done? No. Yeah. Okay.
Shakespeare, that must be so hard for you.
Yeah. Oh, he's not done.
Where did you get those sheets? Did you get them out of my folder? That's okay. I've got a folder of printouts.
Done. Are you nearly done? So I'm gonna go check everything. He's done. Good. Everything's good. You're missing something.
Did you forget one?
Yeah. Sweetheart, finish this job and then I'll check this board. Okay. Good. Good. Oh, you're missing one.
Oh, okay.
You're missing 5. It's okay.
It's okay.
Yes.
So are your students good?
Yes. Now you get a kiss sticker. And you get
Wow, can I belong to your school?
Yeah.
In the comments, do you belong to a school where a teacher comes and gives you a kiss when you do your work to the end? Does she do that sometimes?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I've never seen that.
That's the stickers what they get.
That's the best sticker. Was that your idea?
Now I'm going to collect these papers and we are going to go play Legos.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. And thank you. Bye, students.
Bye, Mrs. Bubbles.
Now you can go off to do the Legos. Bye.
You're a cool teacher. I wish you were my teacher. I would have got a kiss every time I did my work. So this is what it looks like when I come to my school desk. Omega, have you put the dinosaurs on Mummy's school desk? Do you want to take them?
Can Jason put them right there?
Yeah, he put them there.
Yeah, so he has to clean it up.
Okay then. Oh, why don't you take them to him? Because he's a school desk, not dinosaur desk. Got him all?
James said put them right there.
I came down here. What's going on?
We're looking at what the team's going to play.
Yeah.
And I can play my drums too.
Yeah.
So we're
Oh,
practicing the same song.
what is it? What are we playing?
Don't know yet.
Oh yeah, and these are memory boxes. We've spray painted them. Over there, some of our children's artworks on top of the
They
memory
have to go
boxes.
Yeah.
into a memory box.
Yeah.
My drumsticks.
I don't know.
I'm pretty sure the little shouldn't have taken my
They were
drum
just
bag.
playing school upstairs. Nefertiti had one. She was using it
My
to.
whole drum bag is missing.
I don't think she took the whole bag.
My drum bag over there.
Is it really messy?
It's missing. It's right here. See it a little while ago.
Do you think she took it and took the drumstick out of that one?
I don't know, but that drum bag has all my drumsticks.
What did you say?
That bag has all my drumsticks in it. Every single one. So I'm drumstickless.
Drumstickless. Interesting.
Okay, where
Okay.
is it?
I have no idea.
And it
When'd
has
you
a
last
lot of
see
my
it?
Notes in there.
Oh no. What are you playing here? What's this?
Well, that's just an old paper I did in 2000.
Hyvä joulu.
It says 2015. That's an old paper. I'm going through my old papers. And
I was just gonna
I'm going
say
through like this and saying
that
this
just
is useless.
has a
this is
Christmas song on it.
good. No, it doesn't.
What does it say?
It's what's the teacher write? Happy Christmas and.
Oh,
he put
when
the
they
date,
gave
and
it.
That was my homework.
Oh, okay. I was thinking it was a Christmas song.
No.
Listen to them upstairs.
Well, we're down here
Yeah.
to get new songs that
New
we're adding
songs, yeah.
together.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been focusing more on saxophone lately.
Okay. You had a big break off that.
Yeah.
We were playing at the Kangaroo House and then.
Yeah, I was playing at the Kangaroo House, and I was playing there
Realised
too,
can play it.
and then we kind of got busy with everything and
Renovated this
I
house.
forgot about saxophone really well.
We forgot it.
I actually forgot that the instrument existed.
My
So I'm back to it. It's a pretty, well for me, the saxophone is easy.
Mhm.
So I'll just pick it up quickly.
I'll go and watch you play a little bit.
By
Can
the
I
end
have-
of the year, I should be good. Enough.
Can we hear like 2 seconds?
I restarted
Can we have
it.
2 seconds to laugh?
2 seconds to laugh. I restarted.
I know, that's funny. Okay, guys, where's all the tables gone?
We cleaned it up because Cleopatra wants to do her exercising. Yeah? Yep. And
Are you exercising now?
Yeah.
In the middle of the day? Why not? It is a holiday. Are you changing your clothes? She just woke up. How are the Legos going? Did you play Legos?
Yeah. Yes.
What are you guys looking at? Hey, has Romeo and Freddie's birdie? Did anyone in the comments name this bird? We were actually wanting someone to name it. What have you been calling it so far?
Trusty.
Trusty.
Aphrodite thought of Olive.
They're taking over your room for a little while, Cleopatra.
Oh.
This is the end room that everybody uses for dancing and violin and saxophone. Oh, yes. What's with this sidewards ponytail? What?
Okay, I started playing the saxophone and we found out, well I found out, that she is scared of it. She hears the sound and she knows it's coming and all it takes is for her to see the saxophone, just see it, and she will be freaking out. I think she knows it's coming. Don't smile. She really doesn't
Go
like
over there.
I don't know
Go
why she
show
doesn't
her.
like it. Look, she doesn't want to touch it. Like, she knows that it's fun. Touch it, touch it. She might press the buttons a bit. She's doing She's happy. And she sees my mouth start moving. I won't play it with her. Next It's a saxophone. Get up, Brenna.
Born into a musical family. You must like instruments. What happened when you used to play the piano when she was little?
Look,
Used to freak out when I would play piano.
she's looking at the end, which she knows if that goes near her. What would she do if she goes near her mouth? She won't even open her mouth.
Ah, okay,
It's not
no.
even loud. It's not loud.
It's not, no, that's okay. That's so cute. Okay, leave Cleopatra to stretch. Ooh, our mirror is so clean. Is it Milky's first?
Yes.
Okay. I will come later when you are exercising.
Why does spider has all the time been here?
What is it?
A spider. Why does all the time been here?
I don't know, someone put it in the wrong box. I had an idea for tonight.
Yeah.
Go to the movies.
Yes! Children all the big people.
We'd have to take turns. We haven't seen Avatar yet.
Little
Actually, I
children,
know we have
little
them.
children.
One adult stays. Isn't there something they can watch?
I haven't looked at movies for a very long time.
We were the last ones to go, weren't we?
Yeah, we were the last
I'm pretty sure there is something.
Remember there was something new?
What was it?
I don't remember now.
Yeah, we went and saw it. Have you guys seen it yet? Like, have you seen Black Panther yet?
Come on,
No,
people.
I haven't. I kind of
That's
don't
an
want
idea.
to go watch Avatar in the movie theater, you know why?
Why?
It's like, I think it's like 3 hours.
Yeah.
Isn't that even better?
Without a piss break. I mean, without a pee break.
Can I put that in there?
Without a pee
It's
break.
in there now.
Think 3 hours without pee. I won't survive it.
I want to
I don't think they even
No.
have they don't have a break.
What is Shakespeare making? Show us.
A Lego man.
Show us. That is so cool. You finished. Have you finished it yet?
No. They had it just the end of it.
Ooh. Is that the piece you said that he's used all the best pieces for?
Yeah. Oh, he put pieces,
Robot
long
head.
pieces like this, to fill up one hole.
Yeah.
He took
Did
all
you
of
want a robot head?
It's hard to do Legos when you're thinking about camera.
What did you do this morning?
I was doing laundry, and you know you clean out the water from the bottom,
Yep.
from the pipe now and then. Yeah, I was pulling it off and it slipped and I went...
Okay, Shakespeare, we'll have a look at it when it's done. Are you going to put it on your channel?
And then we can break it.
Yes.
It's still in other pieces. Then
Every-
we get pieces.
Aren't you playing Legos?
No. No. Big boys, you're coming to a... Can we stop?
What are you doing?
Where you...
What do you do?
You stop doing Legos. We're doing a tea party.
Are you ready?
They just like doing their own thing, don't they?
Yeah, they
We
do
were
that.
playing Legos, but I guess we're having a tea party.
I guess we
Tea party it is.
Okay.
Okay, cool.
Tea party it is, eh?
Tea party it
now.
is.
Are you ready?
No, yeah, I'm gonna get dressed. You
Okay.
do Legos.
Road
Yeah.
trip.
Okay, I'm interested. Have bye.
I just felt a bug crawl on my thigh.
And where is it now? It's
They
gone.
flipped to
somewhere
my
here.
eyeball.
So, what's with the
That's a
tea party?
dangerous this and
They do them all the time, randomly.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get invited for pizza often. I guess it's your turn now. They did whisper in my ear and they said, Mom, we've got a surprise for Trisha and Romeo. D'Artagnan, they've done some crazy things for you. Oh no, I've got to get Cleopatra. Oh no, I hope she hasn't finished doing her exercises. So, how's it going?
Good.
Your little helper?
Yep.
Oh, and there's a little Build-A-Bear bunny. That's so cute. What book is that one?
It's Korean and English.
Ooh, that's cool. Okay, what's the next exercise? Are you using her as a weight?
Yes.
I did that with my bubbies.
She thinks she's getting milk.
She's seen their dresses. Go on the other side. Show what she does when she sees pretty dresses. Sorry, we're interrupting your thing. What's she doing? Is that pretty? She can't take her eyes off it. She's like, I want that one. Pretty princess one. Yay! Alma's doing her exercises.
Yes.
Baby weight, go for it.
Yep.
Oh, the Lego's finished. Okay, I'll come there in a moment.
We're getting milk. You ready? 3, 2, 1. You ready? Now what's happening?
She's used to it. This is what I did with my babies. You just use their weight. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, what is that?
Oh, 10 of mine have enjoyed doing this. It's a perfect weight because it grows with you.
Yep. Make sure you work out because then you get to go up in weights.
Yeah.
They grow.
Yeah, she's thinking it's great. Okay, the girls have decided to do a tea party for the boys. It's going to be even funny. It's for Jerusalem and Romeo.
Oh! Make sure you make them look extra pretty.
No.
You ready to stretch?
Elvis is leaving the building.
Oh no! Sit down and read. We'll go to the next page.
She loves her books. So you can get your knees right down. No effort whatsoever.
Yep.
Aphrodite can do that.
Oh, that's so cool. I hope the camera wasn't up. Can you show your ballet point? Have you still got it? I haven't done it for so long. Let's see. Just show if you've got it. Oh yeah, it's nice, isn't it? It's pretty good. That's taken that you haven't done ballet for. Is it like 8 years you haven't done ballet? Should we get back? It's it'd be longer than that. I want to join ballet too.
It would be nice. I think I need new point shoes.
I think I need shoes.
Yes. Oh, we should do that.
Do you want to?
Yes.
But I want to get private classes, like just you and me, just so people will let us be.
Yeah.
Oh, you're the ballet bar now. Okay, we will leave. Hey, Shakespeare finished his Lego. That looks so cool. Watch out, King James. Oh my goodness, that is cool. Do you want to turn it around? You've been building this for weeks. I remember when you first started. Well done. I like it.
Yes. Thank you.
Special
so long to
pieces.
do that. No.
What?
It's so hard to put on. There's the sides that if you do it too much, it goes like that.
I break it. Because I tried to show how, look at this. Look how quality this has been.
I didn't find
Look,
any breaks.
and he's using special pieces like this.
I don't find any
How
breaks.
stupid is that?
I can't find any breaks.
I would guard that because they want to destroy it when you're asleep.
I want to destroy it and break it and slam it in the ground. And then we can have our pieces back.
You're fine.
Okay, that was interesting.
You gonna find a seat?
I'm doing
Oh,
the
yeah,
celery.
okay.
Just a strawberry lollipop.
Me? Thank you.
What is this?
Lemon?
Banana.
Banana. They, it's yellow and stuff. Are you gonna have any food?
I am. You gotta speak like a gentleman.
I am.
You have to eat like a gentleman.
It's like this. How do you do that? Do you
eating tea yet. We have to get all the food.
Hey, Aphrodite could sit on the other side because I can't see Aphrodite's face.
You used to have enough food. I'm giving all the food to us, trying to make us fat. Yeah.
No eating yet.
Have sugar.
Yeah, Drew, proper etiquette. Everyone has to be
You cup
served and then you eat.
Everyone did. Okay.
I get that.
Okay, take it.
That and that and that.
Throw in my ice cream. And my buddies.
Oh,
Can I eat?
okay, you get this big cup.
I didn't have any room on my plate.
Cut.
You have to sacrifice something.
You literally gave me the most food.
No, you have to take
I do
all
not
your
have that.
things like this. That's how we eat. Like
You see on the table.
I think you got a lot of food there.
I'm gonna take
Hey,
some
looks like your New Year's Eve lunch
Yeah,
on your plate. And that looks like your birthday party where you end up wearing your cake.
Hey, look, you're gonna do it like this.
Hey, Alice in Wonderland.
Oh, thank you. And
My
now,
goodness.
just open your mouth. No.
You're gonna burn my mouth.
Okay.
I already had.
When it's a princess party, you need a lot of tea. And this is how you drink.
I think that's wrong. I think that's right. Wait, you're missing something. You have to go like this.
No.
Yeah? You gotta put your pinky up.
Is
The
this?
queen for herself.
This is about us.
Did you actually put it in your mouth? Yeah.
Okay, no, you don't do like that. You do
Yeah.
like this. And this is how you drink.
Okay. That's
Splash, splash, splash.
Seeing our eyes out.
Okay, we have to work out what we're going to do for the rest of the night. You guys, first, Jim,
Yeah, probably Jim.
we got to edit this, Cleopatra.
And
We'll take it together. Do you want
they
to?
have to clean this.
Yes, let's do that.
It's Friday night. You get. What time is it? No, it's Friday. It's only afternoon. It's only 2 o'clock. Okay, you guys go to the gym. You have to go to Spotlight to get yourself
Thank you.
a costume. Jerusalem, where are you going tonight?
Nowhere tonight.
Oh, where are you going tomorrow night?
Tomorrow
He's
night,
going to a party.
I have to dress up. And I have not.
Remember to not drink and drive.
I don't drink.
I saw 3 people lose
I-
their license.
Yeah, we saw 3 people lose their license on New Year's Eve. And they all had P plates. No, New Year, it had just been over 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
And the
And they
police
had-
were stopping all of them, and the cars were on the side of the road, and they had to leave. blah,
They were
blah, blah.
testing the blowy.
Yeah.
Oh, excellent.
Guess what? I don't ever drink, so I don't have that problem.
Yeah.
But
So-
I didn't forget my license the whole night. Get some good friends.
Yeah.
I didn't get invited. Sad.
Yeah, because no one likes you.
Yeah.
That's Roman.
You're not cool enough.
Okay. Yeah.
What is that face?
Oh, there's a
You
dinosaur.
should see a face up.
Turn her around. This was supposed to be a short video because we're still editing the New Year's Eve dinner. So I haven't got it on time. Hopefully you've liked the New Year's Eve breakfast. It was yummy. The New Year's Eve lunch. It was yummy. And dinner. Oh,
Be out soon.
Omega.
So
That orange mandarin actually hit the ceiling.
Come now. Hop. Okay, if you enjoyed watching this video, remember to
Subscribe and like and leave a comment and press the notification button. Bye!
look at her. She's really crying.
I think she picked the orange. Come on, D'Artagnan.
He's a knothead.
The comments were full of, "Where's D'Artagnan?" What happened?
I was cleaning the downstairs and I got told to go in the toy room and clean that room and then use the film in the video.
Sorry. Okay, everyone together. Say goodbye again. Run.
Bye. Bye.
Can you all fit in there? Can you all fit in there? Go that way. Quick, 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 quick. You changed all your clothes too. Go and hide behind the boys. Just run. Go. Right. Hide. And we're back again. And wait, do some.
And Aphrodite.
Oh, Aphrodite's getting dressed.
Right now, this is dream. If he got his one wish, this would be it.
What's exciting? What's exciting? Oh, the guitars.
Should I go get the saxophone?
Yes, do it one more time. Let's end it with the crying of the saxophone.
Do you really want it?
Do you want it? Go, have a try.
Okay. Everyone,
Go.
is there sitting nicely?
Hello. Sano Oma.
Oh, by the way, she's looking at the guitars over there.
Oma.
I think she's actually talking to me right now. Okay, she's all
Do you want
happy.
to take her backwards? Do you want to pick her up?
She is. Pick her up. Look how happy she is.
I'll put my glasses on. One moment.
You gotta watch her face.
Okay, say it again.
It's not the sound that makes her freak out. It's the actual. Okay, look at her.
Tell them what she's looking at.
Guitar. I'm gonna pick it up.
I'll turn to her.
Look at it. Do I pick it up now?
Yeah, go for it.
Shh, be quiet.
She shook her head. She shook her head.
She's looking at me all She's going closer to my mouth. She's going.
Bring it closer.
Show what you're doing.
She's shaking her head, going, no. It's not put together.
I don't want her to be scared. Touch it.
And then put it in your mouth and she'll go. Oh, look.
I don't need that knob. Press the button.
She'll probably get used to it, but look at this.
She got used to the piano.
She said, "Hey, it finished." She goes, "Hey."
No. Mina ende.
She was enjoying the rice.
No, I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna put it away.